think sculptures in a lobby of an hotel, they're actually particularly very interesting. It's not the first time I've actually set up one of those. People always get these sort of surprise, you know, there's always a positive message on them. I mean, you arrive to the hotel and the dream is a sort of humanized animal. It's like a chicken. You don't know what it is exactly. I mean, it doesn't really exist. The meaning of it is definitely what the title said. It's like, it has to be a piece that lets you go somewhere else. But it's also the meaning of the whole hotel. I mean, the idea of entering the art hotel is like, it has to be like a house, you know? It has to feel good, but it has to be also a place of discovery where almost every space you have, it's like a movie, you know, it's like an episode, or it's like a scenography in which like, we want the people to feel very well and feel different. So they enter the space and they're like, wow, I've never seen these, but then they're entering another space and it's a completely different thing. And again and again and again, until you arrive to the rooms or you go to the gym or you go to the function rooms. Here, we try to make a story which is unique. A lot of the furniture is tailor-made always, and there's always something very special about it. You know, me and my team, we worked very hard to make things that are special for the people. We made things with love, you know, with the idea of like, if we make them unique, they will never decay, they will always be new, and they're new for us and new for everybody. But then this piece is obviously standing up and higher than anything else, and it's a president of the whole, you know, entrance. So for me, that's the representation of it. And the energy provokes with that yellow color in contrast to the wood, this reflective material, which is also opposing the flatness of the wood. It's actually very nice, and it's done in purpose like that.